Hello everyone. I'm doing a quick video here because guess what I got? Ooh, it is the shipping notice for Rye. I it's funny, I don't know what to feel about it yet. Like when I first read the email, I was like, you gotta be kidding me, because I know the shipment was on its way to them, but I didn't. Well, it's not like Doll gave an exact time of when Doll Zone shipped to them. So, I mean, it could have come from Doll Zone at any time. So, I'm not sure. I just know that I wasn't expecting anything like this soon. I was expecting it next week at the earliest. So yeah, and I know my camera's a little off here, but I'm sorry about that. Hopefully it gets itself together for what I hope is my next video, which is the box opening, because he was shipped today, and I had him shipped priority mail. I had him come through the postal service, so if I was not home, they would take him back to the post office rather than do what FedEx does, which is try and return them to sender, which would make me cry. So I'm hoping that the tracking number will update either late tonight or tomorrow, with just it being so-called online, because it hasn't yet, I don't think. I haven't tried it since I got home like 5 minutes ago. I'm hoping, what I'm hoping is that if they attempt delivery at all, it will be Friday, and if not, that I hope I get him Saturday. That would be the most ideal thing, because regardless, it would be best to open him on the weekend. I probably won't open him after a work day. So that means if I don't get him Saturday, then I probably won't open him until next weekend, which would be horrifying and long, and every day I would just stare at the box. But I don't want to open him and have like a good 3 hours with him. I want to open him and then have the whole day to just do stuff with him, like figure out how he moves, or if I have to learn how to restrain him or get him stuff from the store, I'll have the whole day rather than just a couple hours and then have to put him away and then go to work the next day, and you know, just an hour here and there. I want to be able to spend a whole weekend with him. So wish me luck. I hope I get him Saturday. It's funny, I thought I had lost my excitement for him, because it's not only has it been such a long wait, but I let all the stuff get to me, as you know, as you've heard in videos, and just the recent one from this weekend. And so like I was letting all this stuff get to me, and it's such a long wait that I thought, no, I'm just not that excited anymore. I wasted my money, blah blah blah. But then I get this email, and at first when I didn't believe it, I reread it again and I just started shaking because it was like, oh my god, he's so close. It was like, it just, yeah. So apparently I'm still excited for him, and I'm still glad to have bought him, and yeah, I can't wait. And so yeah, and I hope next video is either me like quick update, like, oh, I can't open them till next weekend, or hopeful, cross my fingers, box opening. I plan to film that with this camera and my actual digital camera. The reason why I don't use that camera a lot is because I can't see where it's filming, so I always get afraid it'll cut me off. But it's a much better camera, and I really want like a really high quality for the box opening. So I'm probably going to figure out how to get that to work to my advantage. And once I get that figured out, I'll probably film it on both cameras, and then just in case one films badly, or my digital camera doesn't want to cooperate, then I have it in 2 sources and I won't have lost the whole thing. I'm also going to take pictures with my phone camera, which actually turns out to be a pretty good camera. So yeah, it's going to be documented in several ways apparently. But I'm excited and I can't wait. And sorry that this video is out of sync, but for some reason I'm too excited to fix it. And I don't know how to fix it. It does it every once in a while. So, but yeah, yay. So yeah, I'll probably try and keep this as updated as I can. Unless you know when I receive them, if it's not Saturday. If it is Saturday, then I'll post the box opening that day. So yay, okay. So yeah, that's it. Okay, till later. Bye.